Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackpool Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackpool Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackpool Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.
Hey, good morning, guys. Alright. Can you guys let me know if you can hear me, please? Alright, so the system took a trade here earlier that's going into drawdown right now. If it loses, it loses, but I wasn't prepared for this trade yet. I haven't done any analysis yet. Alright, so this is yesterday's analysis that I had done. This is a 30-minute range here, between here and here. And this was a 5-minute range between here and here. So this was the 5-minute range I was sitting through, faked out and then went. Right? Then it broke out of the 30-minute and then went. I wasn't here for this part, but I went to work. No, actually, I went to sleep because I had to work night shift. But anyway, let's see what's going on today. So, delete. I know what, I need to close that trade. Well, the reason that the robot took a trade here is because I just restarted it.
Oh, this thing moved.
So I should have known that it usually takes trade as soon as I restart the system. So that's why I took the trade. I should have known that.
What are we supposed to do?
But anyway, I took a small loss for no reason.
This thing moved already 400 pips. What are we supposed to do now?
400 pips? That
Yeah.
means it's going to pull back, right? Or it's going to go another few hundred. Let's see. Alright, 30 minutes daily. Oh, look at that. Daily went all the way up to new highs.
Oh. It's heavily, on sentiment, it's heavily selling. Look at this.
Changed.
No. Everyone's saying buy over here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess.
Alright, so that's our daily range there. Fake out happened here, and then it stayed in the range, and then it broke out here. Now, if today closes outside here, it could be a fake out again to come back in. If it closes above this one here, then probably meaning something else. But let's see how it looks in lower diagram. So this looks like also a fake out, right? This can easily be a fake out since we had X amount of bars coming out here. And this can start pushing down here. If this 4 hour pushes down here, then and closes inside here, then we can probably trade towards this side here, towards the downside. Alright, let me set this area up here. Alright, so that's our 4 hour range. Let's go find our 1 hour to work with. Alright, so I'm gonna adjust this to this 1 hour here. So until it breaks below this point, only then I'm gonna sell it. Then then it becomes a sell here because if it breaks here, it pulls back, that retest it, and then it's gonna come towards this downside here. But for now, it could easily be a retest to the upside again. $30 minutes. See, it lines up there, there, and here. Alright, so we have our channel there now. Let's put it in the middle channel. So you see it broke, retested there, went up, came, broke, came down here, and then test, rejected here. And then back through, rejected there. Okay. So volume has been pretty high as well all night. Alright, 5 minutes. Alright, here we go. We have our 5 minutes range here. And here. So there's a breakout to the downside. Alright, so you have a channel formation here coming down. And we have a channel formation going up. So you'd have to break the channel in order to have some strong momentum to come straight down. Until then, it's just gonna zigzag, coming straight down this way. So what is it DA saying about the actual market here? So I had a 32 pip stop loss, so this would have gotten stopped out if I didn't close it early. Um, buy strength is a bit strong-ish, but over here it's not. It's just pretty even. I want to set this to manual trading for it now, and then I'll just execute once the signal comes in. And I just validate the signal. So as it approaches 8 o'clock, I want to see how these numbers are changing. If this is increasing or this is increasing, this is decreasing. So if this is decreasing down here, it means it's going to be pushing to the upside. This is decreasing down here, and this is increasing gradually. Then it's going to end up pushing to the downside. Right there, yeah, bearish volume coming in. The bearish volume coming in here. Um, and how is the dollar doing? The dollar is bearish at the moment, and gold is 100% bullish here as well. Well, gold is very bullish, so it's probably possible this buy would work out if it goes up here, 115 pips more. Let me double check this analysis here. So it came down here because of these low volume location right there. So that means it breaks this area here. So it breaks this high here, closes above. That means it would break this trend line and this trend line here to continue up this point here.
You said to change. You said to change this to EMA, right? Moving average or something like that. I said to move this, this thing to EMA, right?
The night.
Or only the night.
Alright, so we're trading above this here. This is where we're trading. Anything above these two lines. Because if it breaks out anywhere around the bottom over here, it can easily reject out of this line and continue down. 30 minutes is rejecting, rejecting, rejecting here, these areas. Let me check this volume here. Alright, so we had low volume here that it came down to. Then we had volume here that it came down to. Now I had low volume here that it came down to, right here. Then move it here, like that. What you do?
Look at that.
Alright, so let me see if anyone has. If you guys have any questions, just let me know, please. For right now, I don't have a bias. It's gonna be bearish bias from down here, bullish bias from up here. I mean, overall, as you can see, it's bullish. Right? It's just staring at you in strong bullish strength. It's just that it could be in a rejection area here as well, you know. So we don't want to take too much of a risky buys in this area. And this will be considered a rejection zone. Um, and as you can see, it is rejecting very nicely. Went past it and then it rejected off of it with big extension bars. So this whole thing here could be a rejection zone. So this buy, we have to be very careful with it. If we do buy, we're just scalping straight up there. If we do sell, then we can sell pretty much to the bottom of this range. We can sell to this range first, of course. And then if it breaks this area, this low here, and retest it, then you can sell to this range. Alright, so the robot is giving it a buy signal there. Let's go check that out and why. So as we said, I'm gonna take a buy if it goes above here, closes bullish above here. We have some strong bullish strength here, here. We have the volume in place. ATR is high. Buy strength is very strong across the board. Um, this is still the same 150 and 114. And the volume is actually down at the moment. It's been doing negative volume. So so that's what makes it risky. So I want to see this bullish close up here, and then pull back, and then it can go up again. As you can see, 5 minutes back to the top of this range, this channel. Because when I drew this 15 minutes ago, it had just hit it over here, so I rejected, which was a nice. So this channel here is 100 pip. It's gonna be 8 o'clock soon. Do we have any news coming today?
I don't have any news today. I checked.
No.
Oh, you mean we have Aussie news?
We have President Trump speaks at 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm, 7:30 p.m. I don't have that.
What news are you looking at?
Today.
Oh, that's 9 p.m. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's at 9 p.m., not 9 a.m. Long time from now.
I don't even see that. Where do you see that? If I go-
Tuesdays. Tuesday news. You're looking at.
Am I on the right? Yeah, no, I'm
Well,
on
we
the
need to refresh your screen.
Did they just decide that? Oh, yeah, there. No, that's Lagarde. Oh, that's Friday.
So yeah, take this interest, they'll be in the
Oh,
same
here it
trade in the same location the whole time. So for this, if it breaks out of here, we probably want to see a breakout here, out here, and then break out here again. have 1.618. Maybe pull back to 1.27. Or even here. And then break out again. Because obviously this market is not just gonna keep going bullish continuously like this, especially it's been going bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So if it wants to go bullish, it has to break out, retest, and then start going again. And the ATR is already maxed out, so if it does want to go up, it might go up another 100 pips or 200 pips more. We're just gonna give it an extension bar. So let me go back to daily here. See, this looks like an uptrend starting again, another couple of days uptrend. Weekday has been like continuously bullish going. Look at this bullish move for weeks and weeks and weeks. But the volume is dropping off, as you can see here. We have lower volume since these past few weeks. We have lower volume here compared to this high volume here. We pushed it away.
What is this? $32. I don't know what this is.
Alright, so we had a volume increase as this trend started here.
I don't know what this is. This is a one. Why does it say so much?
Every time volume increased, actually, there was some bearish bars. So if we see a volume increase
I'm so confused.
and see
But
bullish bars,
one thing.
you might do the opposite.
Okay. Hey, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I didn't have that other one.
XAU,
How did you do with this?
That's what I did.
Hold on, guys. I'm looking at the wrong thing.
But I did have a phone.
Here.
No.
Yeah.
For some reason. XAU, AUD, XAU, USD.
So now it's showing I don't have anything.
Just one trade.
I need more things in
I'm
there.
so confused.
So I could be having something and I don't know because ETF is not showing. Yeah, only one.
There you go. I'm sorry. That was AUD, USD for some reason.
I can't. I'm trying to. Can't get in my bag because it's like going.
Oh yeah, his mic is still unmuted, right?
And no, it's not unmuted.
What do you mean not unmuted? Don't they have to hear you?
It's not unmuted, so therefore.
I mean, it's
No, it's not muted. I mean,
Yeah,
it's not muted.
yeah, there you go. Mm-hmm.
I'm confused you over here.
Yeah, I was like, what the hell is this guy talking about?
I just can't.
Alright, so I was doing gold Aussie. Let's look at gold. Gold is in a time over here. Let's look at the daily chart. Let me delete everything here. All right. So gold is approaching a resistance here, and we have a resistance here. And that's it. For our, we can modify this resistance here. So it looks like a rejection point there. Um, we can add one in here. Wait, why am I 8 cap? God damn it. I have to, and yeah, we have too much things here.
I know, yeah. Gonna start deleting them one by one. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing. Okay, 8 o'clock.
Okay. Did you just deleted the XAU?
Yeah, I know, I know. I
Come
did it.
on.
I know. I know.
Let's not do those now.
What are
Not
you
deleting
doing?
anything now, this moment. Let's
I
get
deleted all of them for.
Well, you know.
Now you can't get back to your charges, so you know.
No,
All your charges are gone.
no, I'm on my charts.
When you really the charges are gonna be gone.
No. We don't.
She's bookmarked it or something.
Yeah, exactly. There you go. There. See, I put it back.
Did you put back on?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You can remove XAU AUD. So this way you don't look at that. You don't have to look at that. There you go.
Hey, listen, you were complaining. I fixed the problem.
Fine. All right. So
You can always put it back.
No, it's fine. This is what we're using.
Yeah.
Let me bookmark this real quick. Done. Okay. Why is it not bookmarking? Anyway, it's fine. Okay. What's going on here? Okay, so this is decreasing. This was at 1.13. Now it's at 1.14. Now it's 1.13. So let's see if there's a new target up here as yet. Nope. Looks like it's going to this weekly highs here. Weekly open, 2 weeks ago close. I'm gonna enter a buy to that point. And I put a stop loss right below this this low right here. Especially that we have strong buy pressure here. Our size average is 11 to 0. Buy strength on average is pretty strong as well. And USD is bear 88% overall. Gold is 100% bull overall. And that's the next possible point of interest. And you see all these here shift to bullish as well. So we have the EMAs are bullish, the bar by bars are bullish, and the EA is overall bullish. So this is 100% bullish in this corner. This is 100% bullish in this corner, right? Um, so let's see what happens here. It might be just another 4-hour push up to this point, right into the center here. Right, so if this pushes for a fake out, then at least we'll take profit on that fake out. But it is in a rejection area. Alright, so let's see here.
Oh,
No.
I changed his diaper.
oh yeah, yeah. Go.
No, he's gonna stop. There's nothing we can do.
Alright, this looks like it's breaking out at this line here with pretty decent momentum. Usually when it breaks out of a channel, it's pretty strong. Let's see if there's any new target that popped up out here. Not yet. But so far everything looks pretty good. Everything looks strong. To the bullish side. The data looks strong to the bullish side here. 361 to 14, 15. We have volume is present. It's above 10,000. As the average RSI, it means all the other charts are strong bullish as well. And over here, the average sell strength and buy strength, the average buy strength is bullish across all the other charts as well. Right, so this buy may work out up to the weekly open. I move the stop loss up right here under the 100 EMA. Because you see this is angled as well, right? So the 200 is angled, it's taking more of an angle here. This is taking more of an angle here as well. But everything is overall angled to the bullish side. And we have a point of control here. Where is it? That may be the next point of interest, where all the orders might be sitting for it to come in, take this trade, and then come back down. This is where the sells are. This is where the big sellers were. Right? So if it comes back here, it takes all the sell orders to come back down.
Where
By the point of control. So it would be in this zone here. Right? Anywhere in this zone here. And I said this zone right here.
That is my green box.
So we have a 2 weeks ago open right there. And then we have close right there. We have open and close. This weekly bar went straight up again. That's crazy. It might be like a couple of weeks of this where it goes bullish, bearish. I mean, bullish, bearish type of trading for a little while. Right, so we might see a ranging couple of weeks.
we need to figure out what's going on with his mind because it's getting like to the point.
So the new 30-minute opened 30 minutes ago. Let me close this. What's your analysis?
Well, I was selling because I was like, it's gonna do a pullback, and it went. So I bought. I got out, but this trader matchmaker doesn't let me know where my orders
I know
are.
it.
I can only know by numbers. And I bought when you said buy,
Uh,
and I got out with profit. Now I'm waiting to get out of this sell. Well, I don't want to get out of this sell because I think it might want to come all the way here. But which is the price 28.96. But I don't know. This is an inflated buy, so I
28.90.
and of course to take profit for the buy would be 27. I mean 29.47, of course.
The market is going to 3,000 after all the way up there. Right, so it could be going to 3,000 at some point. Maybe not this week, of course, but during the next few weeks, it may be going. Might as well go there. I don't see why not. It's already almost there. $50 more, 500 more pips.
Yeah.
It's been hanging out at 1950s.
Well, I'm not sure. I don't like how this entire time happened. It's gonna go by all the way over there, of course. But I don't think it's gonna go to 3,000. I think it's tried.
Let me see. Now that we have new information to work with. So this is the monthly chart here.
Because what happened is
Right.
by price action wise from what normal people do. They are doing the price action in a way that if it goes all the way here, it's a buy. If it passes, this is a sell. If it passes, this is a buy. And when they do that, this thing precisely is going to convince people that, yeah, it's a buy.
Yeah. Alright, so you have one pullback area there. Right.
Oh, yeah? Is I?
As far as eyes, yeah, apparently
Sure.
there's no oil antibiotics yet. We have to get them with eye drops.
Sure. Where do we get those?
Well, I'm searching it online, but I don't know if you can get it without prescription.
I'm sure they have eye drops with that prescription. I have eye wash at work. I can get some.
Oh, yeah?
No, but you can't just get it for humans. We need to make sure that it's an
It's
actual.
not for humans.
I work at a pet
Oh,
factory.
I keep
remember?
forgetting that you ever got there. Yeah, because I'm searching up and this thing, and they're saying if it's like some sort of green thing in his eyes,
Alright,
like
so
that,
our
that's
next
not
location
continuous.
is
It means he's dealing with
here.
an infection, or even a
And then
sinus
here.
infection, and you have to get
Oh, that's
antibiotics.
why.
Right, that's why he has that.
Mhm. How do we keep it? So we have to do
Right, so we have
internal,
this
not
location
external,
here.
that's the internal. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, right.
How do we
Alright.
do that?
Let's see how the 6 month looks. If it looks the same way. So the 6 month gives us this rejection point here. And this rejection point here.
When this big move was happening at 2 o'clock,
Now let's see what's going on with this trade
there
over here.
was no
It's
volume.
still in the same place.
Yeah.
Hasn't pushed up
Where's your
farther
mouse? Where's your mouse?
Okay,
yet.
right here. This move is big.
Yeah.
Empty shell.
Alright. Now let me remove all this
I
here.
know, yeah.
So that here.
And let's see what's happening
You
with
see?
this
Look,
on a lower
look.
time
You
frame.
see this?
Yeah.
Even this one shows.
Yeah.
So these two are the two monthly and 6 months lines of possible rejection points. And let's see how
So
it
that
navigated those
means
areas.
this one.
So it broke and retested it here, then went over here, rejected off of it, broke and retested it here.
I don't know.
Now it tested it,
today.
broke, tested this one here, and went back straight up. So what are the odds that these three are
There
up
you
here?
go. Look, you see? Even this,
Right.
the finder says that.
I know, yeah.
So now we look at it from a daily perspective. Here, this would be considered the low right here where the move happened. The highest point and the lowest point. And we have 50% is right there, 61% is right there. Even 34% is right here for a fake out. If we wanted to do a fake out. Right? But let's not do that. Let's do this instead. 4 hour. And let's just say the move started right here. Okay. So market structure. Right. And the move started right here. And this is the pullback. That's the highest point right there. This is your pullback. On 1.618 would be our target. So 1.618 is here, and then 100% is our target, right? So let's put this one in here. So now you have 4 prices here to work with. Alright, so 30, 32 is the average. Right, so 30, 32 is the average.
Out of curiosity, let me see. I put this in here now.
Alright, I'm gonna lock this in place for the next few weeks.
How do I say this? So, see, I put that there, and I want to see what happens. Intention.
If it does want to go high, then this is gonna be the highest it can possibly go.
It says already, right?
Let's see what started being advised doing. Okay, I need this to break out up here so I can close brackets. But the volume is now coming in, as you can see. This is the volume bar starting. So if this bar closes bearish, I will be screwed, and that means it's coming all the way down here. But if it closes bullish, then it might continue up. But this is our trend starting bar right here. Move of the day. Hope it's not the pullback of the day.
Pullback of the day. All we can do.
So these two decreased here. You see, this went from 114 to 113 to 104. This was at 150. Now it's at 108. So let's see if this increases. If this increases as this continues to decrease, then the probability of this spiking up becomes likely. But you have to wait 20 minutes for. It updates every 20 minutes. Damn, I should just taken the trade from when it gave it to me, right? If I took the trade right here where it gave it, I would have been at 50-40 per profit. I should have just left it on auto. I ended up taking the trade late over here instead of from over here. So these gray arrows are somewhat new. The first one is usually what matters. The first arrow is a signal. The first arrow is a signal. I'm just testing some new entry methods to figure out if I can use some new entry methods to trade. And as you can see, the new entry method has been over here. The first arrow is a buy. First arrow is a buy. First arrow is a buy. This is a buy. Right. This would have been a buy over here. Buy, 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 and buy. So they will all be buys over here. And over here, it would have given one sell, a bad sell.
That's one of the retest.
Okay, if it's retesting this 100 EMA here and then start going back up, great. If not, I'm supposed to get out around this area. Let me check the volume. What's happening here with this volume? 3 minutes. Okay, so there's some structure here. Then it can pass a rejection. And now I'll check the volume here. Okay, so it looks like it must have come down to this location here. And then we have nothing there. Actually, have structure here and have volume there. So let's see how it behaves in this area. And we have a lot of volume coming in at the same time here in this cell.
I added some more cells.
You added more cells?
Yeah, from the top.
Anika is entering cells here at the same time because, as you can see, we are in a rejection area
Well,
here.
I wanna see. Of course, I'm gonna see if this is a rejection point. I'm gonna see if it's gonna act there. 2916 ish. I wanna see how it acts there, of course.
As this is a rejection that is acting as a fake out over here. So it went bullish and faked out.
Because on the 1 hour there was a range and it broke out, right? So let's see how it acts on that retest of that breakout. Is it gonna reject from it or is it gonna?
Well, this right now looks like it's trying to do a squeeze. One of these type of things.
We have two rejection zones. We have the 30 minutes rejection zone and we have the 1 hour's top rejection zone. It might actually come through the 1 hour's top breakout as usual, because those people who bought the breakout. 4 hour has 30 minutes to go, so I mean we have a full on nice pullback up to $28.99 to be safe.
$28.99
ish. Yeah, to be safe is $28.99.
You mean a buy at $28.99?
I mean sell up to there, $28.99 and buy from there if the buy is strong. If the buy is still going on.
Alright, so 15-minute close engulfing bearish. This was bullish volume on this 15-minute bar. This was bearish volume, which was a decreased volume. Now this is going back up. It's rejecting up this zone.
Bars
The
are
5-minute
really
volume
go
zone
so fast.
and this market structure zone. Right, so it came
What's
to cut
going
this
on?
volume and market
I mean,
structure
it's
here.
so quick.
Now I'll see if I can get out of this trade.
The bar just turned green environment. Look, what is
Wait
the
first,
size
let's see
of
if this
this?
got updated.
Is there any way to measure this? It's getting ridiculous.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, if this goes back to break even, I'll get out.
I can't even do anything. Okay, so seems like it's back to average.
The dollar is 100% bearish in the moment, right now.
Yeah.
And gold is 83% bullish in the
But they didn't
moment.
give me while I was looking.
Right, so they're flipping completely opposite of each
Look at
other
this.
right now.
Oh my god.
Hence this push to
That's
the
terrible.
upside here.
There's so many.
Yeah. It's probably a bad idea to put this house there.
But I was looking over here.
Yeah.
So you have to look at the time.
Mm-hmm.
Because this, when I was talking about the rejection zones, and 1 minute went.
To keep a bind a quick buy when it's going there. I don't want to go into negative.
Yeah, this is the 1 hour breakout of the range. Do you have any buy biases?
Is anyone buying today?
I want to buy too. It's just, I don't know. I can't buy it here.
What are you
The
guys doing? What are you guys doing? What is your biases? What is your analysis? Anything to share as a group? Because maybe I'm doing something wrong. I don't know. Okay, so let's look at the 30-minute volume here. So we had a strong volume bar here on the bearish side.
Oh yeah, what happened?
It's still ranging.
No, when your volume part. You were saying there was a strong sell volume.
Let's go down to 50-minute to see whose volume that was. This was a bullish volume bar on the 50-minute chart that actually took the high volume. Then go to 10-minute. It was also another bullish volume bar. So if you go to 5-minute, it was also another bullish volume bar. 3-minute, it was bearish volume bar.
What is this?
Then let's go to 1-minute. It was a bullish volume bar. So overall, it showed bullish, and on 3 minutes, it showed it was bearish. And as soon as the volume came in, it started dropping from there on. As soon as this bullish volume came in, it started dropping. Dropping meaning buying what these are selling, or just selling off completely. So as the buys are coming in, it's providing the sells. I don't know, to be honest. All I know is there was a rejection here, pull back up. If it goes back up here, great. If not, then I'm losing a trade right here. That's what I can see right now happening. So I'll move my stop loss over here now.
Took us.
Okay, along the previous low. Oh, it is there already.
This took us people took their profits.
Alright, so I have a 55 pip stop loss there, and a 80 pip stop loss, 80 pip take profit up there. So in a moment, alright, okay. Any questions, guys? Any biases? Anyone in any trades? And did anyone take any trades? All right, now let's see what's happening here. All right, so the point of control is here. It's rejecting up. If it breaks this point of control, then we may see it continuing up. And this volume here, so this one, the point of control is here, and it broke down here, as you can see, and kept going down. Then as it came down here, the point of control is here, so it's staying above this. So it needs to break this point of control to keep going up. Now let's combine this and see what it is. So it's at point of control overall between this area. But it needs to break this one in order to continue moving. Let's see here to here. There. Right, so the point of control is here. As you can see, when it came down, it stopped on this point of control here in this past area, and then rejected up. Over here, as it went up, it created this point of control, broke down here. So I'm expecting definitely, if it breaks this one, it's gonna range here. It has to break this in order to continue up.
And can you move?
Personally, I would expect it to go back down, and I don't know if it's gonna end up going down.
Okay, so market range from here, then pushed up, then raised again, and then pushed up much bigger, which means momentum increased here, which means it pushed ranged again. If it ranges again, momentum could essentially push up even higher. Maybe I'm just bullish bias. but it's coming down against me again. Um, what is your biases? What are you guys analyzing? Where do you think the market is going?
I hate the fact that this one goes over here. Like, oh my.
And the EA is still saying it's bullish at the moment. It was saying it's bearish. It was starting to say it's bearish here. The numbers were decreasing, but now they went back bullish. Overall, the EA switched from 100% to 82% bullish now, and dollar flipped from 100% bearish to 50% bearish. But these targets that we have here now decreased from 108 to 106. And as you can see, this is now 1.53, so this increased over here, which means a lot of sellers are getting into this area, which is providing this the sell liquidity, right? So it's gonna go up, take up, absorb the liquidities. And like this bearish volume here is not shifting back bullish either. So you can see the bearish volume is increasing here gradually. Alright, I'm about to get stepped out. I got stepped out. It's a possibility
Can you
might
read
want to
the volume?
reject after 200 EMA here.
Lower.
Higher, because it didn't work, it seems like.
Oh, we dipped back into the orders.
Yeah.
Just kind of watching me at this point.
Alright, he just came back here to this bottom of this trend line here. It's gonna do some ranging before it does anything else. It's gonna take everyone's money first. So you want to take profit from some of your trades, take profit.
Yeah.
I was thinking to the 200 of the.
It is at a
1
200.
minute.
It is at a 200. You just touched it.
Oh, yeah, that was the alert that I didn't hear. Okay, yeah, I'm like, where's
That's
that
your
alert?
rejection. This is your rejection point
Yeah,
here.
I had an alert.
So it's at there. It's at that location. Yeah, it's
I
gonna come
wouldn't
back up here now.
Snap for these guys?
No, it doesn't care about these guys. These guys have been decreasing all morning.
Okay, I'm closing.
Right. So the possibility of it going back up now is what we're looking for. At least this indicates that the pullback has been deep enough. It could come back all the way down here, but there is no certainty.
As soon as it crosses it.
Right, it could come back to the 5 minutes 200. That's a long way to go. Yeah. At least if it breaks this 200 and retested it, then we can sell to this side here. Um,
No, go back.
and do you any
Oh,
trader
I'm
or
doing
no?
the.
No, I'm good. I'm not in a trade right now. Telling mom to keep an eye on it
Oh yeah, I'm trying to put a box in there.
because it's like very close.
Alright, so 30 minutes here is.
Yeah, I
doing
closed the
this.
other ones.
Okay,
I'm
there you
just
go.
waiting for the little one.
Yeah.
So let's see how 30-minute closes here against the structure here. If it closes inside here, then I'm expecting it to come down here. If not, this will be the no trading range. Right, and I back this rejection point here.
Is it coming or not?
It's 1 hour. 1 hour.
If I could see.
4 hour. Right, 1 hour, 4 hour rejection here. This is mostly 1 hour.
12 minutes. 30 minutes. Okay.
Okay, that's it right here. Right, so let me make this blue. That's 1 hour. This is daily. That's daily yellow. Right? This is 30 minutes. 30 minutes like purple. This I know what color lines I'm drawing, Alright. Yeah, this 30 minute doesn't look like it's wrapping for sure. This 30 minute looks like it's doing a squeeze up there. Squeeze locations? And it's triangling in the squeeze, it goes up in triangles.
Yeah.
That's what it's doing.
Yeah, I'm not. In a song, I just have one.
Right, so 30 minute look like it's gonna do a bull flag type of thing right here.
Yeah, it's just kind of ranging in that area now.
Right, so it looks like it's gonna do this inside here. Kind of like that. So this means it has 1, 2, no, so it's total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more leg up has to go. So I have to close bullish here, close bearish, then go up, close again, and close again. Then it's gonna whipsaw everything out to the downside.
Wow, it moved 400 something pips. What do you
And
expect?
all the ATR is completely finished. I already moved 400 something pips. So I'm gonna put this EA on manual trading only, no automatic trading for me.
9 minutes for the 4 hour.
I think I did that already, but I just want to confirm.
Oh yeah, next one is gonna be coming
Okay. Alright, so it's gonna give me some signals. I'll then come and look at the signals to see whether they're valid or not. This signal here was valid. It was a 40 pip trade. This one here was valid. It took a stop loss. I took a loss on it, of course. But it could have been 50 pip trades
and then come down.
had I held it.
Doesn't make sense.
So I took two losses for no reason. One of them I didn't hold a stop loss, and the second one. The mistake was here. I closed out early here. The second one, I waited too long to enter on manual trading. So I'm supposed to just enter when it gives the signal. I'm just having difficulty figuring out the take profit and stop loss in this system. So that's what I've been working on, figuring out take profit and stop losses. Because before I used to have a 10 pip take profits and it would win all the time. But when it takes a loss, it has to take 10 trades in order to make back all those 10 winning trades, right? Because I had a big stop loss, but it would win more and lose less. But whenever it takes a loss, it just washes out all the profit. So I need to figure that out, how to get it to trade at least to a 2-to-1 ratio, and even at 50% rate, a 2-to-1 ratio will be just fine. And it does have a higher win rate, of course. It's just that I've been testing it on a demo account 2-to-1 ratio to see how it performs. All right, these two are very close to each other. It's only 50 difference. So and as you can see, RSI bull versus RSI sell, they're very close to each other. Um, so therefore, we have a neutralized market. Now it might reject and go back. Could continue working towards the bulk buy side. Let's see. This volume is bearish here, so I don't trust it to go bullish anytime soon until the volume shifts bullish. I'll be right back. Jeez, I'm so sleepy. Let's see if anyone asks any questions. No questions. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, I'm
Is
back.
anyone using what's this called? Matchmaker broker?
Matchmaker or match trader?
Match trader. Is anyone using Match Trader by any chance? Do you guys know how to close all? Does anyone? Because I did the tutorial watch, but it doesn't seem like anyone talked about it. I hate it. If you guys about to use Matchmaker,
Match trader.
don't use it, because whenever you put order, it doesn't go to your order exactly where you did it. Money wise, it does. In your money, you can see that, okay, your 2 pip profit or 2 pip, 3 pip, whatever it goes. You can see the money wise, pip wise, but you know those dotted orders, it doesn't show. It goes on an average. So I hate this broker so much with all my heart. I didn't think that I can hate a broker as much as I hate this one.
That's a platform.
The platform, yeah.
Match trader platform. All right, so the volume is coming in here though. So I'm interested to see where it goes here because there might be a bigger move coming. Maybe a giant whipsaw of some sorts.
Is it? These areas are important. Now you have a zone. See these zones?
Yeah. You can adjust backlist to the market structure here, and the volume profile right there. You see, it came into it and dipped right into it, 50% into it.
Yeah. Okay, new 4 hour bar opened up over here.
Alright, so all right. Check this move here. Um, this move here, the volume was here. This move here. Oh, this is one move actually to here. So if this thing pushes down, straight down here, it's going to stop right here. And then if it breaks it, it's going to stop right here, which is this zone. You see, it create a point of control here on this move up, and then a point of control here and this move down. And then it's staying below this point of control. So it has to break this one, which is this support resistance here, and retest it in 1 minute to continue down. I'm going to remove this one. This is a pause area, but I'm going to remove it this way. It has a clean traffic to the downside. But on the 5 minute, volume increased here, and then it's decreasing against this area. In the 1 minute, same thing. See, as it approached to as it approached this line here, this resistance here, volume decreased. So I don't need. I'm gonna barricade this area here, so this way it doesn't trade this area at all. See, both of these are increasing and increasing. It means it's possibility is gonna do this. A quick whipsaw. And the OBV volume has been continuously being negative the whole entire time. Also, it's not going to give any signals if the volume here is below 7,000. Because usually an average of above 7,000 is when it actually moves, is what I've paid attention to so far. Anything above 7,000, it moves. I think Aussie is still working its way down towards the 200 here. And we have negative volume below zero. Same thing here with Euro, we have negative volume. And we're in a range here. See, the EMAs are coming together and chopping the 200 back and forth. The 200 is flat for the moment. XAG, same thing, 200 is flat at the moment. And while this is going up, gold is coming down. So that tells us we're in a very shitty range at the moment.
Oh, yeah, interest rate is coming on the 19th.
This is flat also. So definitely maybe rest of the day until later today is gonna actually do something. This one here is flat as well. I should actually went through this chart here, all this chart here before I actually did any entries. Next round, I'll just go through all these first before I look for entries.
Thursdays.
Because if it's ranging like this, if I see this is happening here, then that automatically tells you anything that's really happening is going to be false trades.
Thursday.
Now this has to go touch this. Go ahead, you were saying?
Thursdays interest rates coming. European interest rates coming.
This Thursday?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. That's nighttime, right? Or is it in the morning?
I'm gonna look at the calendar. 8:15 our time.
Trump speaks. Yeah, Trump speaks. Whenever he speaks, everything goes haywire. All right. This thing is coming down here. Looks like he has to break this. It has to close below.
Europe has been consistently cutting down their interest rate. And tomorrow, ATP non-farm is coming for us.
Oh, okay. So we have a lot of news coming tomorrow. So this bounces back from here and goes up. It's gonna be a smaller up move. So he's absorbing this volume over here right now. Then we have this volume over here coming up. Next. Do you still have some cells running or no?
No, just one.
Alright, as you can see, still hovering on this 200 EMA here. I don't know whether it's going to push down or not. But we also have this 200 EMA, which is the 5 minutes 200. The fact this has been increasing, that's what I'm worried about. Because sometimes it just breaks the 200 and goes back right through it to the upside to take this one out.
It's not gonna be good. Money is not changing. And then, you see, I have to constantly close that window, open a new window on Matchmaker, because
Matchmaker.
it's not
Matchmaker.
it's not updating, you guys. It's not updating. And don't get me started on the indicators. If you put any indicators like 9 and 50, the next thing you know, literally a minute later, it's flat. And then you click on it to make sure you click on it and say do save, and it changes. And then again, it becomes flat. So
That
basically,
sucks.
it doesn't work. Indicators don't work on it. And just now, the money was basically frozen, right? Um, so this platform sucks balls.
I don't think you're supposed to say that.
I'm not supposed to say that.
Because
I'm not-
Jan's streaming and Cam's thing.
Is that a
this
bad
is gonna
word?
close in 15 minutes. Let's look at the 15-minute bar.
Is that a bad word?
15 minutes
That's
just
close.
closed underneath this. So let's see if this one continues there. Let's go through 10
Huh?
minutes, 5 minutes,
Huh?
3 minutes, 1 minute.
Huh?
So 1 minute patience is what you're looking for.
What do you Oh no, the platform. The platform sucks balls. Because what's his name? Trader Market, the other one?
Trade locker.
Trade Locker was great. I like Trade Locker.
Can't hear me. Because then now you know how we feel when you're whispering. We can't hear you.
Okay, so we gotta be so good. Okay, it's on the retest of this 13 minutes.
Let's see if it's retest this 200 now. See these here, when these two are flat,
So
like this, means you might just come here, touch this, then start going back up, touch this, then start going back down, back and forth. This is just like the Bollinger Band and what do you call it? Envelope. And Feltner channel. So this is just pretty much the same thing.
Because I can
Average of
see
3.
it's very distracting. You can't see what's going on. Your money is broken money. While you're in profit, it's not showing that you're in profit.
Mm-hmm.
It's just bizarre. You know? Okay. Let's go over here. This thing is gonna ring now. If you did it too high, be careful.
See, I don't want to end up in this type of situation here where it actually breaks at 200, comes down, retest this area here, and then goes back up. And retest it again, goes back up. So that's the bands it's been testing. Of course, this 5 minutes 200 was close to it, which also assisted the retest to push back against it. So I'm just wondering if it's gonna push down here towards this. This is how many pips, by the way. It's 100 pips down. Let's look at it over here. Alright, so the 1 minute is starting to pull back here. 1 minute needs to pull back at least at this point. Alright, because we need to see some sort of retest from this break. Looks like it's not doing a retest. It looks like it's just pushing straight down. 5 minute. 31 seconds to close. Bearish volume is increasing here. Back to high volume levels. Alright. I just need to see some sort of pullback first though. I can't just take a sell.
That's not really like.
I'm not a lady when I'm on the chart.
That's so real. That's so true.
See, on the 30-minute bar, we're still pretty much just one bar down here.
Yeah.
This can easily go back up as a wick. 9 more minutes left. It came back to this volume area over here right now. Right. This was it right here.
Yeah, the sell I took was risky because it was ejecting from the strong point. Mm. I do have, but I closed my sell.
Alright, so this went from 168 to 166.
Didn't I tell you it's not gonna come there? You said no. When I was in a cell, I said, "Isn't it gonna come and snap and get those?" You said no.
Yeah. It was over here. It came down to come on. But this 200 was flat, so I didn't know it was going to stay or not. They can't predict stuff.
I can. You just say, "I don't know." Then I keep my stuff. I have a crystal ball here. You forgot?
This one. Okay.
Everyone's gonna buy.
Crystal ball is mind. I'm being responsible. I'm sitting there.
You're sitting it out, Angie.
I'm watching. Hey, I already missed that whole entire buy. I'm still upset about it. This is what happens when I don't analyze it at night before bed. If I had done that, I would have entered a buy and I would have been big profit and I would have been good. I would have seen that I wanted to go up.
Alright, I do want to see a pullback here, at least a small pullback,
Yeah, that's what it's going
to see if it's going to take us out straight down here next.
Yeah,
This is still 128 pips possibility. What's going on?
I left them muted or something.
Hey Charles, good morning. Okay, I was waiting to see Marlon strategy is posted. Can't wait to see it. Marlon strategy. What is Marlon strategy? All right, so let's see here. It's 30 minutes taking forever to close. 3 more minutes to go. Okay, this channel looks like it's holding here. So if it closes above, if the next bar opens and goes up, that would be our pullback to take a sell. Unless you just won't give us a pullback. You know what I mean? That happens. We're in the C range though. The bottom of the range is right here, top of the range is right here. If you look at the 1 hour chart, there's not much to trade.
Oh, 9:30 is coming. Maybe the top
Right, so we'll have some 9:30 volume coming in now. I mean, if this wants to, it can come all the way back down here, right? Because it has this clean traffic over here. And if it wants to, it can come all the way back down here. So or sideways until it touches here. So we do have this line to look forward to. From what it looks like, it's gonna want to do something like this.
This thing likes to
So it almost starts here. Now I might go back and do this retest over here.
I like it. Are we there yet?
Are we there? Like, stop it. It's like
I can't believe it's happening. I usually don't do it.
no one they keep doing it.
See, XAU AUD is bouncing off the 200 here. Let's see what this one is doing here. This one's retesting the 200.
The same place for me.
We're still riding the 200 here in silver.
I can
So silvers are bullish at the moment. Now we'll see some bullish arrows coming up soon.
Silver's not been ranging.
Yeah, silvers are ranging. So when they're ranging back down, it's gonna assist this move to the downside again.
Oh, did the guys say whether they want to sell or they want to buy?
I think everyone's just waiting. Oh, Marlon. Okay, I remember Marlon now. That's the other guy. Okay. Those zones that I have on here. So there are support resistance, but at the same time, I'm looking for liquidity zones where the volume is the least on the market profile, right? So you see, I have here the market profile is showing a liquidity zone, meaning a highly traded area, and this one over here is showing a least traded area, right? This one here is showing a least traded area as well, and this one here is showing the market structure. But if you look at it from this perspective, whereas you want to put this right here to the beginning of the move to the end of the move, right? So once you do that, this is the liquidity zone right here.
No matter where you are, it always
Right, so we have low
goes
volume
up.
here and we have low volume here, right? So these are going to be the liquidity zones where market pushed so fast away from this area it was not traded. So eventually it's going to come back to trade this area before it goes. And as you can see here, it never actually dipped down before it went. So if it breaks this one here, this is going to be the next location. This is the next location for right now. Instead of retest there. And this is going to be the next location since it wasn't traded much during this up move.
Mm.
See, it moves.
Oh, that's good.
Right, but if you draw an order block
See,
right here, the order block shows that this is where it's coming. But that's why you see market always touches the top of the order block and leave, because this is what we're actually trading, right? This zone right here, this low volume area.
It did that apparently retest. Let's see. Where's the retest it did?
I'm not gonna take any more trades for today because as you can see, everything is ranging. All the others are ranging here at the moment. See, the 200 is flat on all the other metals. Silvers are already printing bullish bar against this bottom here. The volume, OBV volume, has been maintaining a bearish status though this whole time. Except for right now. It's been making higher lows. You see over here, it's been making lower lows. And then it came down, right? But over here, as of right now, it's making higher lows. Mass market is pushing down.
Yeah.
I can't function with this back for a long time.
I'm gonna just ask. I'm
I
gonna
thought it's gonna return from
I don't think you can change it when
I'm
it's
just gonna come
when
down
you
here
use
to
the
60
account,
pips.
but I'm gonna ask them. Because it's ridiculous. Wait, which one is yours? Oh, this one's yours.
Okay, now it's breaking down this line here. The numbers are still not in the 300s like I would like it. Usually I like to trade it when it's 300s here and less than 100 here. Same thing here, right? It gave a sell opportunity here. Let me look at the price action real quick. You see it absorbing this area right now? So it gave a sell right into rejection, which wouldn't be a good sell. This is a nice trade I missed here.
That's all.
Oh, you took the
No,
sell?
I took the sound from the beginning, and you were like, "No, it's not gonna get there. No, this, it's not gonna take it."
Aren't you in a bunch sell right now?
Just leave me alone. Let me be.
Alright, so next stop would be here. This needs to close here, and then
I keep bunkering with this thing I'm telling you. It's just driving me crazy. Your thing is just like not to look at it. Basically, not to look at it, just look at whatever you're doing and just look at it.
Yeah, that's the thing. And next week, we're done here. We're done.
I'm just rejecting now because I've been waiting for the pullback. The pullback wasn't coming.
No, it's gonna come back up, right? I mean, I hit the. No, this. No.
I think behind when he was on the something which is like this stuff is like so many times. I just have to not do it and walk away.
this is 1.66 earlier. Now it decreased. This is
And
increasing.
I've been straight with the job. Because I'm back to like this. And this thing, no matter where you put it, is always there.
Okay, so 1 hour has 17 minutes more to go. Okay, punch down there. Alright, I think I'm gonna end this on never mind. No, I'm gonna end this out. 17 minutes more to go for 1 hour to close. You can always pull back up to here and then close before it continues down. Because it looks like 1 hour is gonna continue down further. All the way down here possibly. With the next bar. It's not gonna obviously do to one bar. Japanese also knows their energy.
No, I'm messaging the Blue Guardian people just to find out if there's a way they can like do something about this account, even though it's used or whatever, or at least figure something out.
Yeah.
Because it's their fault. Like that's a compensation thing right there. Like what the heck? And then she used it.
Yeah, because I clicked on it. That I wanted. Because it's just stupid. Tell them that it freezes. Indicators don't work. I'm constantly opening a new window all the time. The orders are not seen where your orders are.
I trade the news sometimes. If the volatility is strong and the EA is pumping in that direction, everything is 100%. I would essentially trade the news that way. But I usually do trade the news. So tomorrow we have bigger news coming out. I'll probably trade the news then. I believe tomorrow we have news coming. I mean, it's better to trade the news because then I get to get in and get out. And the EA sort of helps me in that process. Which is, it's always running live on my YouTube channel. Right? Because when these numbers are 300s, 400s, it really pumps away. So, like I said, it's probably coming to this 200, and it did. Which I regret not, of course, not entering sells, but the data here wasn't matching up for a sell. Price action wise, yeah, it was matching up for a sell. So now I would like to see a pullback and then a sell if I'm still here. So it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm gonna end the stream now. We didn't get to take a trade. I took one trade, I've lost, and after that I'm done. If anyone took that sell from here, and good for you. Right, it would have been a nice 100-pip move.
Yeah.
But I didn't feel comfortable taking the sell because the data here was very iffy. Right, because I seen it reject from here, I seen it reject from here before. And now I've also seen it reject from here during a bullish market. And as you can see, it is currently rejecting from here, this zone. I saw a pullback probably, and then a 5-minute breakout off of here. So if this 5-minute pulls back nicely all the way back up here, as you can see, if 5-minute pulls back all the way up here, then that'll be a nice sell to come back down to here or to this zone. But 5-minute has to pull back. So I was waiting for a 5-minute pullback, nice pullback here to retest this area, but it never happened for me to take that sell. So the only way I would take a sell is for a deeper pullback on the 5-minute chart. All right, guys. Thank you.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackpool Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackpool Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackpool Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.